Hey friend, it's Leo here, digital market investor, fundraiser, legacy builder, and also known as Tutor Man. I'm on my website here, ezytrx.com, and you can watch the Tron opportunity video there. You can also watch the presentation with top leaders, and also there's an interview with Dr. Anna Becker, the founder of Endotech. If you scroll down a bit further, you'll see Tutorman's Tron bonuses. When you join Tron team, you get these 3 bonuses. Bonus number 1, you get placed in the power line and are guaranteed a power line turnover of $128,000 under you that I build for you. Cool or cool? It's absolutely awesome. And in bonus number 2, you can work with me, attend my webinars and those of my upline. You can receive tools and resources that will help you to build your business more quickly and easily. Good or good? It's absolutely awesome. And in bonus 3, partner with me and get a copy of this website. Nobody can beat that. And then if you scroll a bit further down, you can grab the link. Copy the link that will be pasted here to join Tron. And then go into your browser, so go into your wallet, make sure you've got your wallet loaded up with Tron, and then there's a little button down here with 4 dots. Click on the 4 dots, that's the browser, and then you've already copied and now paste that link for Daisy Global website. And then press that right arrow and you'll be able to go into the page where you can sign up. Then just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that green button. Click on the green button and you can then go and sign up and then upgrade your position. Make sure to upgrade to a 100 tier position straight away and then upgrade again to a 200 and then a $400 position. Easy or easy? It's very easy, and I look forward to helping you to start and grow the business of your dreams. I'm Leo Hockinen, also known as Tutor Man, helping people to help themselves and helping to free the world. Go ahead, come and join my power line, and I look forward to helping you to succeed. It's not how fast you join, but what's really important, it's with who you join, the team that you're joining that can give you the results that you truly deserve. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. I look forward to sharing more value with you in the next video.